If an email, chat, or upload form rejects your MP3 because the file is too large, this is the quickest fix. I will reduce this original 3-minute recording from 6.9 megabytes to 2.1 megabytes without uploading the audio anywhere. Open the MP3 Compressor on AudioFetcher. The tool runs locally in your browser. Your selected recording stays on your device, and refreshing or closing the page removes the temporary working copy from browser memory. Choose the MP3 you want to shrink. I am using an original AudioFetcher demonstration recorded at 320 kilobits per second. The page confirms the file name and its 6.9 megabyte starting size before anything is processed. Now choose the output bitrate. For spoken audio, 96 or 128 kilobits per second is usually a practical balance. For music, start with 192 if you want a smaller file while preserving more detail. I am selecting 96 because this sample is speech and file size matters more than maximum fidelity. Press MP3 Compressor. On the first visit, the browser may briefly load the private audio engine. The conversion then happens on this device. There is no need to create an account or send the recording to a remote media processor. The result is ready. Our 6.9 megabyte source is now 2.1 megabytes, a reduction of about 70%. Download the new file and listen to a short section before deleting the original. Compression is lossy, so always keep the source when you may need a higher quality export later. That is the complete workflow. Choose the file, select the bitrate, compress, and verify the result. The direct tool link is in the description. AudioFetcher also includes local tools for trimming, merging, normalizing, and converting audio you own.